We are close to our client. We listen to our client. We don't try to impose what we produce. We just look for the solution, economical way, simple. Make it simple. That's what it is. Yeah, we are located in Normandin, Quebec. That's the head of Lac Saint-Jean, which is surrounded by sawmillers. So a lot of sawmill around there, a lot of forests, a lot of black spruce, a lot of small wood mixed with big wood, hardwood too. Most of the employees already work in the sawmill, and all the owners have worked in sawmill, have all the expertise together. So if we put the owner and the salesman, we have over 150 years experience. Yeah, Inotech as a company started over 40 years ago. Manufacture at the beginning what we get at primary line for log line, and after that secondary line process. And with the years, we developed manufacture equipment for the second and the third transformation to the equivalent of popsicle sticks, to give you an example. So we can go from the wood to the little popsicle sticks on different application. What makes me excited is not only the product, it's the team I'm working with, and the product is never the same. We like to produce always the same machine, but it's always something different. It's always a big challenge, so it's exciting because we have to re-engineer a lot of things, and we work together, team meetings and everything. It's never the same. It's inotechcanada.com, and you can find all the information like this. You can note the video of what we produce mainly, and from there you contact me or contact Michael, or we're easy to contact. We're not 1,000 people. Well, of course, I'm happy to be here at the Montreal Wood Convention, because I'm happy to be with Inotech, be here, and we're gonna come back next year too, so which is good. And I always believe in the forest industries, and I remember when I went to study in forestry in 1979, people were telling me, will be no more tree, will be no future in the forest, no future in the sawmill. I always make a good living.